Greetings, student. This will be topic 5. Next topic is learning. We will learn the meaning of learning. Learning can be defined as a relatively permanent change in behavior or potential behavior as a result of direct or indirect experience. Learning is thus a change in behavior as a result of experience. The elements of learning are motivation. It is based on need and goals. Motivation acts as a spur to learning, with needs and goals serving as stimuli. Cues. Cues are the stimuli that give direction to those motives. In the market, marketing mix, place, price, package, styling, advertising, and displays serve as cues to help consumers fulfill their needs in product-specific ways. Response. It is basically how an individual reacts to a drive or cue, constituting to his or her response. Learning can occur even if responses are not overt. Reinforcement. It increases the likelihood that a specific response will occur in the future as a result of a particular cue or stimulus. Many marketers instinctively find that reinforcement serves to teach their customers a desired behavior. Factors affecting learning. The key factors affecting learning include their resources, their image of learning, the rewards associated with any learning activity. Factors affecting learning. The key factors affecting learning include the availability of information about learning opportunities, the availability of appropriate learning environments, the climate in which learning takes place, especially that created by government and employers,